Hello guys, today we are going to be creating another amazing projects based on the pen extension. So my idea for today's project is to basically try to create rainbow steps. So it has a little magical feel to it. So let's start by adding a sky sort of a backdrop, and we'll add one sprite along with it. So which one should we go for? Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the hay field backdrop. And now I'll try to add a sprite, probably a bird or something. Okay, I'm gonna add this bird. Let me just like place the bird right here. Let's choose another backdrop, probably a basic one, because this backdrop looks a little too busy. So I have this now. Okay. As for the costumes of this bird, I think there are three costumes: one where the bird is standing, one where the wings of the bird is on the top, one where the wings are down. So I don't really need the standing one, I just need the flying ones, these two, so that when I keep switching the costume, it's gonna come up as if the bird is flying. All right, so I got my bird right here. I'm just gonna position it so, and I will put in some basic steps, some basic codes, but let's start by adding in the pen extension. Now we'll go on to the events section, get the when green flag click block as always, and let us start by fixing the position of the bird by getting the go to X and Y block. So you can see that these already have some numbers because that actually shows us the actual position right now for the bird. And then we also want to make sure that the bird is pointing in the correct direction, which is the right side. So I'll just like grab this block that is point in direction. Now since this is a pen extension, you might be able to like play the project multiple times, so you want to make sure that all the previous drawings go away. Now let us start by setting the pen color to a blue color. Okay, so that's it, the blue color. Now I want to get slightly thicker lines, so I'm going to set this pen size to probably 5. Now I want my bird to switch the costume. Okay, so I'm going to get the switch costume block, and since I want multiple steps to be created, and for that I'm going to go on to the control section, get the repeat block, and I'll also put a wait 1 second so that I'm able to see the steps getting repeated. Now I want to put the pen down so that it can start drawing the steps. We want to change X by probably a 50 so that we can see like that is going to be the length of each step. So change X by 50 pixels. And now we'll switch the costume one more time. Okay, maybe, yeah, okay, this way. And then we wait for another 1 second, and then before going on to the next step, I want to move my pen up so that it doesn't actually draw my way to the next step. So I'm gonna put my pen up. I will try to take my bird a little bit up, so probably change Y by 20. And again I'll do a switch costume so as to make it look as if my bird is flying. And then I will change the color of the pen by maybe 20. All right, so that's kind of my code for this project. Let's run it and let's see how it works. So I'm going on and pressing the green flag now, guys. Okay, so I see that the steps are getting drawn, but I think the bird is a little too big in size. Okay, and I can see after probably like 5 steps, we see a repeat of the blue color. So I'm gonna just change this repeat 10 to repeat 5. And also I'm gonna change the size of the bird to maybe, well, let me just click on the green flag so that it stops. Oops, probably a 50. Yeah, okay, this looks much better. Let's test it out now. Okay, so that's the first step. The second one, third one, fourth, and fifth. That's it. So here we have the rainbow steps. Time for you guys to do this on your sides.